In this video, we'll be dividing numbers written in scientific notation. As I mentioned in the multiplying video, multiplying and dividing are my favorite operations to work with when dealing with scientific notation, and let me show you why. I'm going to set this problem up just like it is a fraction. Some things that you might not know that you can do is look at this as two different parts. As 7 divided by 7 times 10 to the negative fifth divided by 10 to the negative fifth. Any number divided by itself is 1. I'm going to drop this down. And one of the properties that we haven't talked about yet, lately, it's been a while, is the quotient property. When you have the same base being divided, you are going to subtract. We're subtracting a negative, so that becomes a positive. 1 times 10 to the negative fifth plus 5. These are opposites. 1 times 10 to the 0. 10 to the 0 is just 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So since I have the exact same values being divided, this is just equal to 1. If you recognize that right away, you could have skipped all of this and just gone straight to 1. In this next example, we have 7 times 10 to the negative 6 divided by 2.5 times 10 to the 0. Once again, I'm going to set this up like two fractions. Seven divided by 2.5 is equal to 2.8. Negative 6 minus 0 is still negative 6. So my final answer is 2.8 times 10 to the negative 6. Just like we did in the last two videos, the final two problems are going to be for you to work on your own. So go ahead and pause the video, and when you come back, I will show you how to solve this. Welcome back. To set this problem up, I'm going to take 7 divided by 6. I'm going to multiply that by 10 to the negative fourth divided by 10 to the negative 7. Seven divided by 6 is 1.167 times 10 to the negative 4 minus negative 7. Remember, I said earlier that minus a negative is the same as adding. So negative 4 plus 7 is 3. The final answer here is 1.167 times 10 to the third. Now some of you are probably wondering how I knew what place to round to. 7/6 is a rational number, but it goes on forever and ever and ever, and it never stops, but it's always this repeating 6. I just picked the thousandth place. For the final practice problem. We have 3 times 10 to the negative 7th divided by 5 times 10 to the 6th. Good luck. All right, so we have 3 divided by 5 times 10 to the negative 7 over 10 to the 6th. 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. We have negative 7 minus 6, which is going to be negative 13. But this front number is equal to 0, and we can't have that. So we're going to move our decimal point one place to the left. So we're going to minus another place value from here. This is 6.0 times 10 to the negative 14th.